Hello everyone, good morning. It's LarryFX Academy, and today we are going to be talking about the Crash 500 index. So on the Crash 500 index, what we can clearly see is market reaction. So what are we going to do? We can clearly go down to the higher time frame. Now on the higher time frame, we would see that market had a low and a lower high, which broke structure and got retested at this point. That was our level for our trend line, so we drag it through. We can see the market is reacting to it at this point. Now this is also another level for the trend line which market is reacting to. Now two things is okay, we can clearly see connect from that low to this point, and then this is the next trend line. After market gave us a break of trend line, with a break of structure, came back, retested it, and then boom to the downside. This was what we saw on this, and then there was an entry from this point to this level. So there was an entry from this level to this point, which is entry, okay, sorry, which meant we had our entry from this particular level to our stop loss here and our take profit at this point. So that being the case, this particular trade has hit take profit. Market reversed, and that created a new level to look out for. So the new level actually is this point from this new high and this new break of structure. We'll connect it again from this high to this low. Now, having done that this way, we saw that there was a kind of there's a structure here. It's like it simply looks like it's basically like an order block which created a break of structure. That was using market respected 0.5 level, gave a structure inside here and continued dropping. So that being the case, market also moved for take profit using the 50 level and this particular zone, and using that particular zone. So that's just it for this particular trade. Now, this having happened, we are looking out for two levels, which is this level as our first level for take profit and this level as our final take profit level. So that is where we are expecting this market to drop towards. Now we currently have a low here, which makes a little bit of sense. Then we'll connect it from this particular high down to this particular point. And then we can clearly see that trend line broke around here, came back, retested it, broke around here, tested it, broke again and retested it. So this area is a good area for ourselves. So all we can clearly see, market has actually gotten into our 0.618, which is at this point, and we are actually ought to hold the trade to this point. But the only thing now is we can't take that trade off the higher time frame. So we can't take the trade off the higher time frame. That is the reason why we have to take entries from the lower time frame. So this being the case, we would simply just push it onto this area, then we come down to the higher time frame. So this is actually the zone. So this is the zone we are looking at trading from. So all we would simply do, go down to the smaller time frame and pick the market structure. So the first structure we saw is market taking out this low, which is also breaking structure. Then we also have this level being taken out. And this level also being taken out. So these are the levels we have that has been taken out. Now, the next level to be taken out is this particular point. But then that is for a short-term trade. So we are actually looking long-term. That's why we are looking at for this point. But this is actually the next level to be taken out. So what would we clearly do? We would go to the 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour time frame, this is liquidity being taken out here. This is liquidity taken out at this point. So ideally, whenever we get a break of structure at this point, we want to see markets punch into the highs again and give us an area of entry. But in the meantime, the same structure repeats itself up to this point. So we can clearly see a break in trend line here. A break in trend line, market push, rallies up using this structure from this particular point to this point and gives us an entry for a sell. So that is basically an entry for a sell. Now, when we make such entry, what do we look out to do? We simply wait and exit the trade. So for now, if you've not entered the trade, this is an opportunity to enter the trade in the sense that market has tested our premium level, which is a 0.9 level. Market has tested it, and currently market is plunging down. So if you're taking yourself from here, basically, this is how it's going to look. You're going to be taking yourself from the current price action, and then you'll be dropping it massively to the downside. So if you're okay with, okay, market just plunged down again. If you're okay with this take profits, that'll be very fine. If you want more, just like I do, then you'll be able to take, this is a refined entry. You'll be able to take your trade and hold it up to this point. It totally matters how long you're able to hold. So this is our refined trade. This is what we are looking out for. So we understand this is the main move which has started from here, but then this is what we are looking out for on a refined trade. So do have a wonderful day, guys, and do make good use of this particular signal and pattern in order to make maximum profits in the market. Peace. One love.